Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, maths tutor. Our question is, in the given figure, points M and N divide the side AB of triangle ABC into three equal parts. Line segments MP and NQ are both parallel to BC and meet AC in P and Q respectively. So, what is the length of AC? Here, M and N divides the side AB of triangle ABC into three equal parts. Line segment MP and NQ both parallel to BC and meet AC at P and Q respectively. Then P and Q divides the side AC into three equal parts. That is, AC equals to 3AP equals to 3PQ equals to 3QC. Hence, AC equals to 3AP. So, our correct option is option D.